What happens when a battlefield shield is torn down from above and pierced from afar? In Ukraine, Russia's Iskander and Kalibr missiles are doing exactly that, crushing air defenses with hypersonic strikes while reaching deep into command hubs and infrastructure with long-range precision. Keep your eyes to the story. Russian precision strikes in late August demonstrated a coordinated use of Iskander M tactical ballistic missiles and Kalibr cruise missiles against critical Ukrainian defense infrastructure. Multiple air defense positions, anti-ship missile systems, and special forces deployment areas were systematically engaged, with footage and reports emerging across military monitoring channels. One of the most notable operations took place on the night of August 30th, when an Iskander missile strike obliterated a Patriot air defense system in Dnipropetrovsk. The impact created a massive explosion visible across a wide radius, instantly lighting up the night sky. Thick black smoke rose immediately from the blast site, confirming the destruction. Follow-up footage released the next day confirmed another Ukrainian air defense system. By then, Dnipro was eliminated by Iskander in second. The loss of two such systems in the same sector represented a sharp blow to Ukraine's layered defense architecture, exposing vulnerabilities in the nation's central frontline defenses. Alongside these strikes, Russian forces also employed Kalibr cruise missiles against targets in Dnipropetrovsk, expanding the operational scope beyond ballistic trajectories. This combination of precision-guided systems, ballistic Iskanders paired with sea-launched Kalibrs, reflected a layered Russian strategy of saturating defenses and ensuring redundancy in strike capability. Another significant success attributed to the Iskander M was the destruction of Ukraine's RK-360MT Neptune anti-ship missile system near Lubetskoye in Zaporozhye province. The strike not only destroyed the launcher, but also caused secondary detonations. Fragments from the missile ignited a booster on the launcher itself, creating a chain reaction of fire and debris that further damaged the system. The Neptune system, a domestically produced platform central to Ukraine's coastal and long-range strike doctrine, has been repeatedly targeted by Russian operations, and its loss near Lubetskoye represented both material and psychological damage to Ukraine's strategic deterrent capabilities. The Iskander M was also deployed earlier in August in a strike against the 3rd Special Forces Brigade of the Ukrainian Armed Forces near Slavyansk. The targeted destruction of a special operations formation highlights Moscow's focus on degrading elite units, thereby undercutting Kyiv's ability to conduct deep penetration raids and sabotage missions in contested areas. While Iskanders dominated the August battlefield footage, Kalibr cruise missiles maintained their role in long-range strike packages. On August 21st, on the military news Telegram channel, Kalibrs struck the flex plant in Mukachevo during a night operation. Released footage showed the moment of impact, underscoring the accuracy of the strike and the continued targeting of industrial facilities believed to support Ukraine's defense industry and logistics backbone. By expanding strikes into western Ukraine, well beyond the immediate battlefield, Kalibr operations showcased Russia's intent to undermine war-sustaining infrastructure and enforce strategic pressure across all Ukrainian provinces. Historical context strengthens this picture of sustained combined strike doctrine. The information was posted on the Uncensored News Telegram channel in late June. A large-scale coordinated missile attack was carried out against multiple Ukrainian provinces. Monitoring channels confirmed Russian forces employed Ka-101 strategic cruise missiles, Kalibrs, and even Iskander hypersonic missiles. The Cherkasy, Lviv, Kremenchuk, and Poltava regions were hit hardest. Particularly, Kremenchuk faced a wave of Kalibr and Iskander missiles, emphasizing Moscow's determination to overwhelm defenses by employing mixed-generation systems in a single operational package. Such integration not only complicates interception, but also maximizes the psychological weight of the strikes. But those strikes only tell us the story. The real answer lies in the missiles themselves. Check this out. The Iskander M is known as a tactical ballistic missile with lethal hypersonic speed. With an effective range of around 500 kilometers to 700 kilometers. This missile can strike high-value targets with remarkable accuracy up to 5 to 7 meters CEP. Reaching speeds of Mach 6 to 7, it is nearly impossible to intercept with modern air defense systems. The missile is also equipped with high G-terminal maneuvering capabilities, making its trajectory unpredictable to enemy radar. Its destructive power is reinforced by a warhead weighing 480 to 700 kilograms, which can be configured as high explosive, cluster, or even bunker busting. The Iskander missile system launch vehicle is actually based on an 8x8 MZKT-79306 or MZKT-7930 military truck chassis. This shoot-and-scoot concept makes the Iskander a constant threat on the front lines, a weapon capable of striking Patriot batteries, S-300s, command posts, ammunition depots, and other critical military facilities, before vanishing without a trace. Speed, precision, and flexibility make it the backbone of Russia's tactical strike capability. The Kalibr missile serves as a complementary weapon with a different dimension. This cruise missile has a range of 1,500 to 2,500 kilometers, depending on the variant, with a normal flight speed of about Mach 0.8. In the terminal phase, some variants can accelerate to Mach 2.9, increasing their chance of breaking through enemy defenses. The Kalibr is designed to fly low, just 50 to 150 meters above ground or sea level, while following terrain contours using GLONASS satellite navigation. These characteristics make it extremely difficult to detect by radar. Armed with a warhead weighing 400 to 500 kilograms, the Kalibr is capable of destroying vital installations such as military factories, logistics hubs, or power plants with a single strike. The deterrent power of the Kalibr also lies in its launching flexibility. It can be fired from warships, submarines, or land-based platforms, allowing Russia to conduct surprise attacks from multiple directions. With its intercontinental range, the Kalibr functions as a tool to pressure areas deep behind enemy lines, disrupting logistics, communications, and infrastructure. If the Iskander is the fast hammer at the front, the Kalibr is the long spear that pierces deep into the enemy's heart, a combination that demonstrates Russia's layered strike concept. With the combination of Iskander's hypersonic strikes and Kalibr's deep-range precision, it becomes nearly impossible for Ukraine to maintain its air defenses and safeguard its critical infrastructure. Every launch dismantles another layer of protection, leaving command posts, supply depots, and industrial hubs increasingly exposed. So that's for today's wrap-up. Thanks for watching.